You got that one wrong, honey.
Huh?
It's a C.
No.
Yeah, okay. What's this one? What's that one? Yeah, what letter is it? M.
You.
Good job. What letter is this? Oops. Good job. It's a K.
Z.
Good job. What letter is this?
P.
No, that's close. It goes
No.
Yep.
R.
Good job. Put it up there. What's that one do? You're saying good job? Good job. What's that one do?
C.
No. Like
No.
girl. That's not right?
Go.
Yep, good job. That's a G. What's this one?
Alright, mommy. Alright.